If you work in marketing, you know how important visuals are. Whether it's creating social media graphics, ad creatives, or pitch decks, the right design tool can save you hours. Two of the most popular choices are Canva and Figma's FigJam. Both have their own strengths, but they cater to slightly different needs. So, which one is the best design tool for marketers? Let's go through it step by step. Canva is like the all-in-one design toolbox for marketers who want speed and simplicity. The interface is clean, drag and drop, and incredibly beginner-friendly. You can open it, pick a template, and start designing within seconds. There are thousands of templates for everything from Instagram stories and email headers to brochures and infographics. The built-in library has fonts, photos, icons, and even videos, so you rarely need to look anywhere else. Canva also offers a brand kit where you can store your logo, brand colors, and fonts. That means every design you or your team make stays consistent without any extra effort. For marketers who create lots of content regularly, Canva feels effortless. You can schedule posts directly to social media and even resize designs for different platforms in a single click. Now let's talk about Figma and its companion FigJam. Figma was originally built for designers and product teams, but it has become a favorite for marketing teams that value collaboration. It is more advanced than Canva, which means it can take a bit longer to learn, but the payoff is flexibility. Figma lets multiple people work on a design at the same time, adding comments, notes, or edits instantly. It is perfect for teams that want to brainstorm, plan, and design together. FigJam takes that collaboration further. It acts like a digital whiteboard where you can map out campaign ideas, plan workflows, or collect inspiration in one shared space. It keeps creative discussions organized, and it helps align design with marketing goals before anyone starts building assets. Some teams even use both: Canva for everyday marketing materials and Figma for planning, collaboration, and bigger campaign designs. In the end, the best choice depends on how you work. Canva is the quick, creative partner every marketer loves, while Figma and FigJam are the powerhouse tools for strategy and teamwork. Either way, both will help you design smarter and deliver visuals that make your brand stand out.